So today we are going to start a new video on fundamentals, and today's sum is question number 36. 36 is one of the most important sum for every student. You must do it in your copy. 36 number sum जो है बहुत ज़्यादा ही important है. Basically in this particular sum we are going to calculate interest on capital on monthly basis. See the question. Sudha, Shakti and Savita are the three partners and the ratio among them is 2:1. Now Sudha draws 12,000 every month, Shakti and Savita 8,000 each every month. Means their drawings being made on the last day of each month. Now before charging interest on Shakti loan, तो जब ऐसे बोल दिया बिफोर चार्जिंग इंटरेस्ट ऑन शक्ति लोन, इसका मतलब है कि शक्ति ने बिजनेस में लोन एडवांस किया है. नाउ सी, इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग एंड कैपिटल इज टू बी कैलकुलेटेड एट द रेट ऑफ 10% पर एनम एंड द सैलरी ऑफ 40,000 टू शक्ति एंड 60,000 टू सविता. प्रॉफिट फॉर द ईयर is rupees 6 lakh. Now give the additional information you are required to write up the partner capital, current and PL appropriation. So we have already made the PL appropriation account, partner capital and partner current. Now the balances of the capital account. See, जब आप capital and current दो separate account बनाते हैं, it means partner has decided to maintain their capital in the fixed manner. सो आप जब भी कुछ कैपिटल और करंट दोनों बनाएंगे, देन ऑल द एंट्रीज रिलेट टू द इनकम एंड द एक्सपेंसेस ऑफ द फर्म और द इनकम और द एक्सपेंसेस ऑफ द पार्टनर्स विल बी ट्रांसफर टू द करेंट अकाउंट. सब कुछ कहाँ जाएगा? करेंट अकाउंट में जाएगा. कैपिटल अकाउंट में क्या जाएगा सर? मैंने आपको फर्स्ट क्लास में बताया था जब मैंने पीएल एप्रोप्रिएशन का फॉर्मेट बनाया था कि जब आप कैपिटल और करंट दोनों मेंटेन करेंगे इन कैपिटल अकाउंट ओनली 3 आइटम्स आर टू बी प्रोवाइडेड. फर्स्ट इज द ओपनिंग बैलेंस ऑफ कैपिटल. Next one is the if any capital introduced by the any partner or capital withdrew by any partner during any part of the year. See here the capital account balance is 2 lakh, 1 lakh 60 and 1 lakh. So you will write here by balance BD. सबसे पहले आप opening capital put up करेंगे, that is by balance BD and capital will be 2 lakh, 160 and 1 lakh. So these are the opening capital of the three partners. Next, additional capital brought in. So additional capital has been brought in on 1st of October by two partners, Sudha 40,000, Shakti 30,000. Similarly, here another information has been given regarding Savita, who has withdrew the capital of 20,000 on 1st October, I think. Yes, on 1st October. तो जब भी कोई पार्टनर कैपिटल इंट्रोड्यूस करेगा, यू विल राइट बाई कैश फर्दर कैपिटल इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. ओके, एंड इफ एनी पार्टनर हैज विड्रू फ्रॉम कैपिटल, यू विल राइट हियर टू कैश कैपिटल विड्रू. दिस आर द बेसिक पोस्टिंग कैपिटल विड्रॉल. नाउ balances of current account. Two balances are on the credit side, that is by balance BD. You will write 20,000 for Sudha. For Shakti there is a debit balance and for Savita is 10,000. So for Shakti we will write 2 balance BD because he has got the debit balance of rupees 8,000. Okay. Now loan account. Loan account has been given in the name of Shakti, means Shakti has provided the loan to the firm on the 1st of April. So Shakti is entitled to get interest on loan. So here we are going to calculate the interest on loan. So we can write here 40,000 and the rate is fixed as per the deed or as per the partnership act at the rate of 6%. Since the loan has been provided on the 1st of April, so we are going to calculate for the whole year and the interest amount will be 2,400. Now coming to the adjustment, first of all, the first information was regarding the drawings. Partners have withdrew during the month, that is 2 drawings, and their drawings is as per 12,000 every month for Sudha. Every month, that is 12,000 into 12, that is 1,44,000. Now Shakti and Savita have withdrew 8,000, that is 12 into 8,000, 96,000. So these are the drawings of the partner during the year. If the drawing has been given in per month, therefore we have to multiply it by 12 because every year comprises of 12 months. Now, drawings being made on the last day of each month. Since the drawing has been made on the last day of each month, each of us know how to calculate the interest on drawings. See here, we can write Sudha, Shakti and Savita. Now their respective drawings are 144, 96, 96. These are their respective drawings. Now interest on drawing is to be charged at the rate of 10%, I think 10% per annum. Since rate has been given in per annum, so therefore we have to consider the month. Now to apply the month in interest on drawing, we have learned three things: whether to apply rule, product method or 6/12 concept. Since the drawing has been made on the last day of every month, so here we are going to apply our rules. At the last day of every month, the rule is 5.5/12 for each partner. So here we are going to write 5.5/12. Now the calculation would be like this: 1,44,000. So the interest would be 6,600 for Sudha. Similarly, for Shakti 4,400 and the same amount for Savita because their drawings are same. So the total balance will be 15,400. Now comes to the interest on capital. Since the partner's capital is not fixed in the nature, we have seen that the opening capital of Sudha was 2 lakh, but during the year she has introduced further capital of 40,000. So here we are going to calculate the interest on capital of Sudha like this. See, she has started the capital with 2 lakh, that is at the rate of 10%, that is for 6 months. Because on the 1st of October, she has introduced the further capital of 40. Therefore, her capital would become 240, and we are going to calculate 240 into 10% into 6/12. Now, for Shakti, same working. Shakti opening capital was 160. So she will get interest of 10% for 6 months. Now she has introduced another 30,000. So her capital would be 190 into 10% into 6/12. Similarly, Savita, I think the third partner, she has started the capital business with 1 lakh. She will get 10% for 6 months. Now she has withdrew 20,000. So her capital would be reduced to 80,000 and she is going to get 80,000, 10%, 6/12. तो दिस इज़ द चेंज इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल. आप लोग हमेशा इस बात पे फोकस करिएगा कि कैपिटल अगर चेंज हो रहा है, द डेट ऑफ फर्दर कैपिटल और द डेट ऑफ विड्रू, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. सिंस आवर बिजनेस स्टार्टेड ऑन द 1st of April and they have introduced the capital on 1st of October, it means 2 lakh was in the business for 6 months. Now the capital has changed to 240 for another 6 months. तो ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट वर्किंग है आप लोगों के लिए. अब इसका आपको कैलकुलेशन करना है. Now the capital interest will be here 22,000 for Sudha. ओके, और यहाँ पर आप देखो प्लस 8,000, I think 17,500. Now for Savita it's 5 and 4, it's 9,000. So the total of interest on capital would be 48,500. Now the next item, that is salary. Shakti and Savita are going to get salary for their service. Now Savita and Shakti will get 40,000 during the year and Savita 60,000. That is the all total of rupees 1 lakh. Clear? Now, their profit during the year was rupees 6 lakh. So here we are going to write 6 lakh. और आप इससे इसको माइनस करोगे, डेट इज द फाइनल फिगर वुड बी 597,600. तो ये पर्टिकुलर सम में आपका जो फोकस था वो इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल को लेकर रहना चाहिए था, इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग को लेकर. एक बार और इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग आपका रिवीजन हो गया. इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल की खास बात आपको समझ में आ गई कि सर जब भी हमको इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल निकालना है एंड देयर इज अ चेंज इन द कैपिटल, इफ द पार्टनर हैज़ इंट्रोड्यूस्ड और विथड्रू कैपिटल ड्यूरिंग द ईयर, देन इंटरेस्ट विल बी कैलकुलेटेड ऑन द रिस्पेक्टिव मंथ्स. जब जब चेंजेस हुआ है उसके हिसाब से मंथ का कैलकुलेशन होगा और उसके हिसाब से ही आप क्या करेंगे, इंटरेस्ट को निकालेंगे. नाउ अब आप बैलेंस करेंगे और डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट करेंगे. टोटल वुड बी 597,600 प्लस 15,400, दैट इज 6,13,000. यहाँ भी आपका 6,13,000 होगा. आप माइनस करो तो आपका डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट आएगा 464,500. Now this profit is going to be divided among the partners in their profit sharing ratio, and profit would be transferred to their current account instead of capital account. Since we have maintained the current account, so all the incomes and expenses will be transferred to current account. So two partners, current account, divisible profit, Sudha, Shakti and Savita. Their ratio is 2:1, that is 464,500 into 2 by 5 and 464,500 into 1 by 5. So here Savita would get 92,900 as her share of profit, and both the two partners will get 185,800. Okay, now this is the divisible profit. Now transfer all the items on the debit side to the credit side of current account. We will write here by PL Appro. See here, interest on capital 22,000, 17,500 and 9,000. Salary, that is 40 and 60. Profit 185,800, 185,800, 92,900. To interest on drawing, $6,600, 4,400, 4,400. Now just balance out the capital account. Total will be 240, 190 and 1 lakh. Here 240, 190 and 1 lakh. Their closing balance or fixed capital would be 240, 190 and 80,000. Now their balance of current account 20, 22, 185,800. Their total will be 227,800. Here 227,800. Transfer the higher amount. Now calculate the closing balance of current account. $77,200. Clear? Next 185,800, 40,000, 17,500, 243,300, 243,300, 134,900. Clear? $117,900 117,900 तो ये हो गया आपका करेंट अकाउंट का क्लोजिंग बैलेंस। इंटरेस्ट ऑन लोन के लिए आपको एक सेपरेट अकाउंट बनाना पड़ता है, लोन अकाउंट, वहाँ पर आपको इसको ट्रांसफ़र करना है। पार्टनर कैपिटल और करंट में इंटरेस्ट ऑन ट्रांसफ़र नहीं होता है। तो बेसिकली आपको इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल का फंडा सीख गए, इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स आपने सीखा ही है, और हार्डली अगर एक आधा सम होगा तो मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करूँगा। इसके बाद इसके दो पार्ट हैं, वन इज़ द गारंटी टू अ पार्टनर एंड द पास्ट एडजस्टमेंट्स। तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अगर मैं देखता हूँ कोई वैरायटी बचा होगा तो उस पर एक वीडियो बनाऊँगा, अदरवाइज वी विल कंटिन्यू विद गारंटी एंड पास्ट एडजस्टमेंट्स।